Hey guys, welcome back to Delph Stack. Today I will be showing you how to make Brave look like Arc browser. So guys, today we will be utilizing the Brave browser features. So to do this, first things first is you could just simply select the three lines on the top right corner. And then now you could just simply go ahead and go for more tools, and you could just simply add a new profile so it won't mess up your new profile. So this profile will be naming it as art, and you could just simply go ahead and provide a color over here for your art replica. Now just simply select done. Now from here, select the three lines on the top right corner. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and go through the settings. Now here on the settings, the first thing you should toggle on is open the new tab page. Now from here, the most important part will be the appearance over here on the left side. Now from here guys, you could just simply go ahead and turn off these three. So you won't need this one. Now, once you have turned it off, you could just simply go ahead and go for the tabs. And the best thing that you can do is turning on use vertical tabs, and automatically your browser will look like an arc. Now from here, of course, you can add a new tab on the left side over here, and you could add as many as you can, and should be able to utilize the Brave like an arc. And pretty much over here guys, you should also toggle this off. You could minimize the tab as you can see over here, and I could open it up as well. And now another option is you could go for the appearance as well, and you could utilize on how the vertical tabs behave over here. As you can see, you can show the title bar, hide completely when minimized. So pretty much over here, you should be able to really customize your tab based on your preferences. And pretty much this is the only feature that you could do to make your Brave browser look like an art.